breakfast, but we came a little bit late, so it's nearly lunchtime now. So I'm with my youngest name, SENZENI, and myself. SENZENI is on my other side. I think she's looking at it then. Are there any trays somewhere?
Are there any trays over there?
Let me check.
Yeah,
Yes, yeah.
Can I have one, please? You need a tray like that.
Yeah.
That's yours.
A drink.
Which one do you want? Yeah, I want you're not taking any drink here?
No, I'll take it from somewhere else.
Huh?
Take it somewhere else.
Any of this? Do you want any
No.
of this? No?
They're not serving breakfast anymore, ma'am. They're not serving breakfast.
So what do you say?
Look, they're not serving it, innit?
It's lunchtime now.
They're not serving breakfast.
No, I think it's lunchtime.
Try here. Try here.
Food truck.
Your chicken looks yummy, yummy. How is it like? Are you enjoying your food?